Welcome to Transact, the resource planning module in Transact ERP, where we manage material requirements. To begin, navigate all modules and select Resource Planning. In this module, here's how you use Basic Material Planning. Resource Planning tab. Then select Basic Material Planning and click Generate Report. You can choose a product category from the drop-down, for example, consumables, raw materials, or others. You may also set preferences, show only items to order, ignore blocked quantities, include traded items, consider minimum stock levels. Once ready, click Generate Report. The system will compute and display a full requirements report. The report gives you a comprehensive overview for each item ID and name, product category and unit of measure, in-stock quantity and minimum stock level, and more. You may also choose download if you want to save the report for reference or share. Next, let's see how to generate and use the Order Confirmation Report for effective material planning. Under the Order Confirmation tab, click on Generate Report to begin. In the Order Confirmation page, you'll see several filters. Creation Date Interval, choose the date range for confirmed orders, for example, last 30 days. Delivery Date Interval, choose the delivery date range, or leave as All to include all. Order Confirmation drop-down, select one or more existing order confirmations relevant to your report. Stores, select one or multiple stores warehouse to check stock or material availability. Optionally, you can adjust preferences depending on your needs. For example, consider items to be traded. Include alternate raw materials. Skip producing semi-finished goods, SFG, if stock already exists. Skip finished goods production if stock is present. Consider minimum stock level when calculating requirements. Once done, click Generate Report. The system will process and display the report. If you want, you can click Download this report. Next, let's see using the Process Details feature in the Resource Planning module to generate a production-level report. Select Creation Date Interval, choose the time range. Pending process number, select one or more process numbers to include in the report. Pick the finished goods store where you expect output. Select the stock store to check availability or stock status. Optionally, you can enable preferences like consider minimum stock level, then click Generate Report. If needed, you can hit Download, export the report for sharing with procurement or production teams, or for record keeping. Next is a Finished Goods Details. First, go to the Finished Goods Details and click on Generate Report. The Details page appears, prompting for details. Enter or select the item ID and item name will appear according to item ID. Choose the correct BOM number. This defines which bill of materials will be used for that product, mandatory. Enter the quantity you want to plan, that is, how many finished units you intend to produce. Select the store from the drop-down where the finished goods will be stored or produced for. Optionally, you can enable extra preferences according to your planning needs. Once all fields and preferences are set, click Generate Report. The system will compute and show you what materials, components, and quantities are required to fulfill the production of the desired finished goods. If needed, you can click Download, export the report. This is helpful for procurement or production teams to review raw material requirements, prepare purchase orders, or plan production scheduling. Thanks for watching.